Latest iOS application like Flipkart and Amazon is now launched. This is our latest iOS app like Flipkart and Amazon. You can see different banners. It has product filter by location, mean if you have products in your location, it will show you data. If you do not have products at your location, then it will not show you data. So that's how we can check that the application has products in your location or not. It is multi-vendor, multi-category, multi-location application. You can search products. You can also search products by voice search. You can order products from different sellers available just like Flipkart and Amazon. There is sliders available, categories available. You can see here that's how a product is looking. You can add to cart. You can also see the product is in stock or not. You can increase or decrease the quantity like this. And now choose your delivery date and delivery time you want and choose the payment method. And yeah, that's how you will order on our ready-made iOS, Flipkart and Amazon similar application. Now, this order will go to the seller. In this application, you will get a customer app, a seller app, a driver app, admin panel, website and 1 year free technical support. So this is how your order is getting tracked just like Flipkart and Amazon. And now this is the seller app. And yeah, this is the latest order that the seller has received. He will accept this order and he will assign this order to the driver, and that is how the seller will accept order in our ready-made multi-vendor Flipkart similar iOS app. If you are looking for an application like this, if you want to start your own Flipkart Amazon similar multi-vendor application Android and iOS, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen. In this one, you will get a customer Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app, customer iOS app, driver iOS app, seller iOS app, website, admin and 1 year free technical support. And this is the admin panel of our Flipkart and Amazon similar multi-vendor app. So here you can see different graphs, you can see total orders, users, delivery boy, products, sellers, your total earnings, approved seller, banned seller and everything you can see. You can also download the reports of it in Excel. You can also see your total orders and you can also see the tracking of the orders. You can also see different categories. You can also create new categories. You can also see all the sellers. And from here, you can also send push notification to your all customers or driver. You can also control different banners showing on the application and the website from here. You can also control different payment systems and the shipping charges you want from the system. You can also verify the sellers and driver, and you can also upload bulk products by using the admin panel. To make an application and admin panel like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. Thank you. Flipkart Clone 2022 now has voice search feature also. If you want to see the demo of it, check the video at right.